Integrating Google Sheets with Slack streamlines workflows and enhances team collaboration by connecting spreadsheet data with messaging channels. As of December 2025, this integration commonly uses tools like Zapier for Zaps, Slack's API, and Google Workspace APIs. Key benefits include real-time notifications, automated alerts, and custom slash commands. For example, previewing and editing Google Sheets directly within Slack channels is possible using the Google Workspace for Slack app, reducing the need to switch between applications. The core idea is to link Google Sheets API for accessing spreadsheet data with Slack's web API, enabling data transfer and automation. Alerts notify Slack channels when specific conditions in Google Sheets are met, using webhooks or Google Apps Script. Slash commands are custom commands in Slack, such as /sheets update, that interact with Sheets to retrieve data. Zaps, created in Zapier or similar tools, automate tasks such as posting a message to Slack when a new row is added to a sheet. For example, a sales team might use a Zap to receive alerts in Slack when a high-value lead is added to a Google Sheet, improving response time. Retail chains could use a / command to quickly check inventory levels from within Slack, reducing manual checks. HR teams can automate onboarding by sending welcome messages and documents to new employees via Slack when their details are added to a Google Sheet. Integrating using AI can increase productivity for smaller teams.